Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to run a profit and loss or P&L report in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Running a profit and loss or P&L report in Xero is a straightforward process that adds values insights into your business's financial performance. Now from here on the accounting, I want you to click on the reports. And once you are here, all you're going to do is click on the income statement, which is going to be the profit and loss. Once you do that, you would be forwarded here, wherein you can simply select the date range. For example, that's going to be from maybe this month, this quarter, this fiscal year. I'm just going to set it, I'll leave it as it in the default. All right. And again, of course, when choosing the reporting period, you want to view the monthly, quarterly, yearly, and you can use a predefined periods or set a custom date range. Now you can compare it with within 2 years, maybe. Of course, you also have an option for the filter. You can select all these from east side, north, south, west coast, and unassigned, but I'm going to leave it as is. After that, you have more options here. Like, for example, you wanted to use cash instead of accrual. You can show the accounting basis, account codes, decimals, percentage of income, total year to date. So it's all up to you. Once you've done that, okay, you might want to click on update. And then you have an option here at the bottom right wherein you can save as like a published or custom. When you click on the publish, what will happen is you would be forwarded here with more options. All right. See, you have a cover page. You have for the period of this fiscal year prepared by, of course, that's going to be Andy's guide. And you have the contents for the income statement or profit and loss. You have an option for the PDF style, which is plain or custom. We're gonna not deal with that, but this is for customization. You can have decimals on all pages or show decimals on each set page. Click on save. That's for publishing. All right. Now, when you go back again to the specific profit and loss that we have created, there's another option here on the export button. You see, you can export this to PDF, which is going to be saved to your local directory, like as well on the Excel. But of course, you migrate that to Google Sheets, you would be forwarded to your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. And that's that. Of course, you have multiple options here. You can share it with others, publish to web, and of course, you can download as a Microsoft Excel, Open Document, PDF, web page, CSV, or TSV, which is, of course, if you are working with multiple freelancers and collaborators within your organization or company. Now, switch back to your dashboard. Now, there's an option that says copy and edit. All right. After that, of course, you can use the insert content or edit layout, but this is going to be for another tutorial. But for now, you can choose the compact view or not use the compact view, whichever the case may be. Basically, once you've done that, click on save and click on export. All right. And that's how you run a P&L report here in Xero. And by following all of these, you can efficiently run and review this report in Xero, gaining valuable insights into your business's financial performance and making informed decisions based on accurate data. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.